against it. Please stand with us.
Thank you. The floor goes to Cuba.
Gracias.
Thank you very much, Chair. I think that only the Chair can ask for a minute of silence. I do think that this is an incorrect interpretation of this decision. I think the decision has been manipulated once again when what we have done, this committee does not take any decisions concerning measures against Israel nor against the Jewish people. And I think that that is turning this meeting into a politicized circus. Some of the what we have just heard from the delegate of Israel is opening up the discussion on the debates, and the decision that we have just taken does not reflect any of that. Only the Chair can request a minute of silence. So with your indulgence, let me request, Mr. Chairman, that we stand for a minute of silence for all of the Palestinians who've died in the region. Thank you.